This is our next hotel room. So we're in Jianing Courtyard here, and we are number 707. So to come to our room, you walk along this lovely garden. This is the key. How do I... There. I don't know what it said to me, so you put the key there. To get back out, by the way, you wave at that. So this is all private area here. And this is our room. These are all lockable. Oh, and there's a pandy in here. Hello. Do you come here often?
No, not very often.
I call this the Yipiao Hotel. I shall put the full name of the hotel in. It's a new hotel, so you might not be able to find it on all the usual websites. And I must add, we couldn't find it on DD either. So we went to get a taxi here this morning or this afternoon, and it wouldn't show up on DD, which was really annoying. So we had to get a DD to the area, and then we had a 12-minute walk, but it wouldn't show up on any maps either. So it was really difficult finding it. Luckily, we found a cleaning lady in the supermarket just next door and asked her for directions, because on trip.com the directions will come at the address will come up. You can press in local language. So luckily I did that, and she told me where it was. But even walking towards you would never believe where it actually was. It was sort of up a ramp, and we thought we were going the wrong way, and I was nearly in tears, drama queen I am. But yes, so we're going to try and solve the situation if we need to go out again. And she did say that I could ring her and they could give...
On WeChat now, aren't we?
Yeah, we're on WeChat now with them. She could give directions to any driver. So this is the living area. The TV is huge. I don't know whether you can see how big it is. I'll put my hand just there for you to see how big it is. It's absolutely huge. Handy said we didn't have a TV, he didn't think, and then it looks like when it's off, it looks like it's just a wall. It's black, just like black screen, but you wouldn't think it was a TV.
Yeah, it could be 85-inch.
Yeah, I think so. And then everything is electric. If we have visitors, or we've already got a message and a missed call, I think. This is the temperature controls here. Pandy's been figuring that bit out. And everything is touchable. And it's a very quiet hotel. Then here we have, this is the minibar. She said the soft drinks are free, but you have to pay for the alcohol and snacks. So I'm assuming those waters are free as well. A nice smeg kettle, a coffee machine. This is some sort of grill. Let's see if I can get it. It did open earlier. Ah, there. I don't know, like a toasting rack or something. I don't know what it is. And then in here is the minibar. So all these should be free. She said the only thing we have to pay for is the alcohol. So we've already had some drinks out of there, because when we arrived we were thirsty. And then you've got that in there, and those in there, which I think you have to pay for. Right. Yes, unfortunately, not being able to find a hotel put me in a bad mood before we arrived. And like I said, we found this hotel on trip.com. So you have slippers. We have slippers already on here. And then a shoe horn. And I'm guessing this is, yeah, it's a bag in there. And what's in here? Oh, those gas masks again. Handy to know where they are in case we should need them, but I haven't got a clue why. A full length mirror there. And the bathroom, but I shall show you the bathroom last. There's a toilet here. And it is one of the fancy ones that as you walk up to it, it opens and it's got washers and everything. And here's how it all works there. Not sure what that is. Is that a... oh, it's a bin. I didn't touch it, I just waved past it. That's a bin. So, and a little sink here. So that's the downstairs toilet. Then in here is the bedroom. And the bedroom has a sofa there, a chair there, a little footstool that I'm sure I'll fall over there. Bedside cabinets. Pandy's put all the lights on for us as well. That's quite a nice holder for the facial tissues. Some artwork. Then they've given us USB connections here, which is really nice, and you've got USB points there. And like I said, everything is electric. And then this is our outside. There's also a little desk area there. It's absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then through here, we have the garden, our own garden. Ooh, there, and our own little pool, little spa, hot spa there. This wasn't filled when we arrived, so the plug was out, but I'm guessing you fill it up every day, and there's the taps for it to work. Yeah, so what do you think of that? Would you like to stay here? It was absolutely fantastic. It is absolutely fantastic. And we're here for 3 nights. Then this will close as well. You can close this door. You know that you probably need to. And then this is the bathroom. A separate bathroom. So that one doesn't open. And this one does. So you've got everything. Toothbrush, shaver, hairing, shower cap, vanity kit, hairdryer. Every hotel we've been to has had a Dyson hairdryer here, so it must be the norm. Then you have lotion there, soap I take it is in there, facial tissues. This is flashing at me, so I don't know why. Oh, that's off and that's on. I don't know whether you can see it. So yeah, that's flashing as well. This because it's got movement. So that one's on and this one's off at the moment. So yeah, and then this lovely, lovely, lovely bathtub. Really nice. But where's the shower, you ask? Well, the shower is here. I normally say, like Walk With Me Tim, we love his YouTube channel. How many people can you fit in this shower? Well, this is probably the biggest shower I've seen. I reckon you could get 20 people. 20 people in this shower. It is huge. So it comes from above and you've got the handheld as well. And it's like a wet room. So this is fantastic. And then you have shampoo, conditioner, gel there. Bathrobes here, which are wonderful, lovely, lovely quality, really nice. And you can also get out to the pool from there. So look at this. And then you've got these slippers here as well. 2 towels. There was 2 hand towels. Yeah, and she said that we can use this and it gets refilled every day. So let's see what's inside here. And she said for the outside bath salts that smell of nothing at all. But yeah, I'm gonna use that because she said to put that in there, the pool. I don't think it is classed as a pool, but I'm going to call it a pool. And she said that gets replaced every day. Let's have a look. Oh, that one smells, but it smells of, I don't know. Rose maybe? Could be rose. And I'm guessing that gets replenished every day. There is also a lounge that is open 24/7. There's a lounge that we shall take you to see soon. And that's just down the road, just like in the next door complex. Yeah, so very, very happy. Are you happy, Pandy?
Yes, I don't know what happened at these Japanese things. I don't know.
Oh,
I'll find some English.
Oh. Yeah, everything is in Chinese. I don't think it's Japanese, I think it's probably Chinese.
Chinese, yeah.
Since we're in China. But yeah, very, very happy with this hotel. And please let me know, would you like to stay in a room like this? And which one would you prefer? If you've seen our last video of the Sheraton, let us know which type you would prefer. Would you like the hospitality suite that we were in last night, or a room like this? Which one would be your choice? Talking of the Sheraton, thank you very much to Michael, who gave us a gift. We met Michael, Lucy, Frank, lots of the staff in the Sheraton who are going to follow us on YouTube. He gave us a lovely little gift, Michael did today, some good luck charms. So yeah, so thoughtful, so lovely, and we also had gifts off the reception area as well, because we gave them a gift yesterday at the Sheraton because we were so impressed with that hotel. But this one is lovely. The staff here is lovely. Who was it who showed us round? No, can't remember. I should write these names down. But we were shown round by a lovely lady who asked us how we found this hotel, because it's a new hotel.
And she spoke very good English.
She spoke very good English, and now we're on WeChat. Anything we want, they will sort. I just message them. Like I didn't know how much water to put in the pool, so they just messaged back. They came straight away and showed us, and yeah, fantastic. Absolutely impressed. So this is the lounge area. I don't know. Oh, look. Yeah, I didn't notice that last time. Yeah. Toilets. That's lovely. Snacks. Well, I'm guessing. I don't know. I don't know whether we should have asked her whether the alcohol. I'm guessing you can't go and help yourself. But there was something in this bucket that's now gone. Maybe it was Coke. What they taste like?
I didn't have to offer.
Tomato. Very nice. What's that? Watson's? I don't know.
Beer?
I don't think so.
That was in the thing that last night, Watson's.
Was it? Chinese cola. I don't know. I don't think any of that's open, apart from the middle part. I don't know. I don't know. What should we do? I could WeChat them. That's what I'll do and find out.